Hello, welcome everybody. This is the latest information in Kodabakam I do that. Now the thing is that the information I get across is that Surya and Karthi from the Shivakumar family have fallen into the bad books of some political parties for them having come and attacked the environment assessment draft that was circulated, and many feel that these two actors have no business to criticize that thing, and it's better that they stick to their acting. These two people have a reason for criticizing the environment assessment draft is because one, the government put out a draft asking the public to give forward their views. Two, these two people are interested in farming agriculture, and they have even set up a foundation where they are helping farmers, and they are into farming, and they have always been promoting the need of farmers working in villages to thrive more and make more money. So they feel that you just can't take away anybody's land by through a law which shuts the door on you to air your grievances, whether it be in cause of the public good or in the public harm or in the favor of the people who stand to make money out of taking away this land. You have the right to put forth your views. You just can't be shown the door and said, "Look, this is we are taking away your property. You go get lost out of this place. You want to build a motor, you want to build a drive-in or whatever, and you get lost." So that kind of stuff will not work out. So they say that it is totally anti-people, and apart from these two actors who are one of the one of them, Surya, is on the top 5 list, and now another top in that 5 list, Vijay Sethupathi has tweeted that Surya, what you said is right, perfectly right. So that adds to the number of people growing. Then some other actress, I don't know who, her support is also there, but that doesn't count. Because, I think I have to Google around to find out who she is. I think more support might come in, but so far all these big guys are so far kept quiet. Those who keep coming out with a lot of statements on such things have been silent. So I don't know where these people are. They will come out probably. I think these people will take. Now their assistants or the secretaries will probably take their own sweet time and reading the whole document and analyzing it and discussing it, and then maybe come out with a statement in support or against whatever. I hope they come out in time. At least not after that. See, there is a Salem corridor that has been hanging fire, and government is trying to push it up because it's a national government, central government project, and they have spent crores. So they want to see that project completed. Otherwise, the crores that they have spent so far will, they say, is going to go down the drain. So they are pushing the state government to somehow find a way through it. Jayalalitha tried to find a way through it, but seeing that the mood of the public was going the other way around, she dumped it. Now this government is now trying to do what Jayalalitha could not do. All the best for them. So now what they are doing is they are trying to put a leverage on these people, saying that Surya has got a movie coming up. After the lockdown, I think that should be the movie that should be coming, the first to hit the screens. So they are delaying the opening of theaters, and also not only that, theater people are angry, saying that look, your banner made a movie with your wife, small budgeted movie, but you gave it to the Amazon Prime. you neglected us. You should have waited till our theaters open and should have screened it here. Now that you have gone there, you please give your movies there and don't come to us hereafter. But they have no choice. When they open the theaters, it's obvious that they need a star movie to be released. Otherwise, who wants to see some useless people, or go and risk your life to go and see a movie to see if that actor in that is, and that director has got a very good story that is worth of getting an Oscar. So I think this whole thing is bullshit. But now they are trying to push it, saying that look, we will not screen Surya movie in the theaters. All that is bullshit. They want to make money. Once the theaters open, they will make money. They will have to show Surya movie. That is the only movie that is ready. Who else will they show? The rate the government is going on, going on, I don't know. I think they are trying to create more enemies than friends. At this rate, I don't know what is going to happen. Yesterday, that education bill that was approved by the cabinet. Now that has given so many connotations, and there is some bogey of pricing, imposition of Hindi, Sanskrit on the students of Tamil Nadu, and so on. I mean, nobody has a clue about what it is. Nobody has read the entire document. Channels are giving bits and pieces about here and there, and some so-called experts are sitting and talking some nonsense which no layman is able to understand. And the man himself, Kasturirangan, says it will take 20 years if we implemented for India to become a very big developed nation. That the way we are developing, I think, God forbid what happens after 20 years from now. I hope this development space doesn't continue like this and gets on to some real other kind of development. So let's see whether Surya and Karthi will face the buck together, and they'll have anybody else to stand with them, or they'll have to fight their own battles. We'll have to see. And I think it's all quite funny because Shivkumar somewhere around their father, Shivkumar somewhere around a year back spoke something about some Archakas in Tirupati temple selling laddus, and how it has been commercialized. And after 1 year, somebody picks it up and says that he has defiled the temple and he should be arrested and put behind bars. So I think. I don't know whether it's for publicity or are they trying to needle these people. Many such needlings only led to so many people from film field come to the politics. I don't know, these people and this Shivakumar family is quite moderate. They have never been politically vehement or taken such any stance. They have just said their piece, that's all, leave it at that. Why make a big issue out of it? Leave it at that. Why get all these things irritated? And the lockdown, when publicity is very hard to get, I think these people are trying to give these people more publicity so that the movie that is going to come will have a bigger opening, and then they will say that because of Vatsalya your movie got such a opening. Too bad.